Dendel, you slang it.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Hey, yo!
Pick me up, Green. Oh, run back, Green. Run back. No! What?
We've got 10 squads active in the field.
Why she insist on wearing my clothes and my hair going on
That look like Mighty Pop.
Yes, sir. My kids at.
That was my kids at. That nigga Lonnie came back out the room.
What she is?
And then one more.
Oh, I know. I thought you said she was out here.
I'm always right.
When we took it away.
But they had called more in there.
Resurgence.
Oh.
Survived.
I ain't in here.
Killed to bring them back faster.
One of them did. I heard him.
That's why she went and peeked. That's why she went and peeked in there. Huh? Two niggas on. I went in tunnel.
I can't, bro. What am I doing wrong? He's weak. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, man.
You ain't shooting enough.
Give him my gun back. Nigga, he had a pistol.
Ain't got it.
How am I not doing something? Shooting enough. Shooting all I can. I shot him a little bit.
There's still one below.
You're out your way. You're out your way.
That's a different team.
Got him.
Stop trying to go down there, you niggas.
Love it. Yeah.
There's one more down here.
You down there?
Yep.
I'm here. But easy.
I'm coming.
Set me up. You just set me up.
He's one side. Shoot him, Park. He one shot.
Good John team me. He's resin.
Self-resin. Yo, you got that.
John Gangy.
It's all you down there.
That's just you there.
Somebody else down there now.
Target down.
Well, top.
Marking the rest of them.
Yeah, they're in bug. That's all I'm not understanding.
Enemy counter UAV inbound.
Yeah, here. Right here. 5 feet to your left. Below you, fat. Behind you. See, how is he not hitting you? He had a pistol. He didn't have no pistol. Why he not hitting you? I know.
Nah, he had a pistol.
It don't matter. He had a pistol when he was fighting me. He killed me. Why he can't hit you?
That nigga suck.
Oh, it is, bro.
Ah, yeah, you got that. Bro, stop finishing. Sorry, nigga. Niggas thirsty for a kill.
Don't no gun work for me, bro.
Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Look at him in there hiding. He gone. He behind that wall.
In the safe zone.
The purple skin fight me.
Losing ground.
He may about to kill him.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Well, it's probably a cyber truck. I said it's probably a cyber truck. Oh, it's a car.
Probably a Tesla.
Probably.
Bro, you're hiding still, my nigga. Die, nigga. What is your problem, nigga?
Kill.
Killing them now? What is wrong with you?
That's how you kill. Oh, you wanted that?
You good? I got one. It ain't gold though.
I'm giving it to you.
Oh, you a huh?
Oh, damn. Yeah.
At least 2 in.
Yeah. At least.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Yeah,
3.
above me, second floor.
There's 3 over there.
You're redeployed.
I'm dead. Oh. I'm dead. I'm dead. 5-on-1.
Fuck you.
I'm about to drop this guy. Yeah.
You should have killed me, stupid.
Come on.
Stop charging.
He's behind me? What? My God, man. I don't understand how you play this, bro. I know it was 2. They were both on the opposite sides of the freaking battery.
Be acquired. Weapons free.
You're still shooting, nigga. God dang.
Oh, you're just shooting.
Behind you. This nigga never came back to the window.
Oh, that's a Honda.
Right there? Ah, what the freak was that, bro? Ah, little honey.
Yeah, Honda.
Assault UAV in the area.
You don't want that.
There's 2 more. That's all you. They suck. They just. Now it's 2 more. My fault.
No.
I seen it.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
man.
got
It's the come go to get my weapon.
This you motherfucker, how the fuck, bro?
No, it's the same dude. Yeah. I got a KSD.
Still alive, you're the only one left.
Contract failed. Stand down.
See, that's the gun I have, right? The gun you using. But he had a KSD. You killed both of them?
I killed 2. It's 1 left.
Yeah, he's chasing you.
He's stupid.
I'm gonna follow behind you.
He's dead.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Oh, now.
Somebody flashing.
Come
These
here.
niggas got up. No way. Oh, no.
Outside.
Oh, no. They
He's
didn't.
crouching.
Coming to your side. He's dead. My fault. I stole that.
UAV overhead.
You're a random, bro. Come down and fight. I'll fix fight you. Come on.
Yeah.
On the roof.
Ours?
Yeah. It's another one out there. One on crack. Somebody else killed him.
Enemy lost track of you. Good work down there.
Somebody's up there. Yeah, somebody's behind us, shooting squad.
I'm going to get my load. I'm doing too much killing without it. I'm gonna hold you.
I only got 2 kills.
This nigga's in the basement thingy. One came up. He ran.
There's another one down below.
There's two of them down below.
One coming this way.
Somebody just went up. He crazy. I just sold my soul. God, leave. He's picking up my loot right now. He's running towards the big thing on the right here. Everybody got, I mean, they got him. What the is wrong with this?
Huh? Oh, the dude that driving. Damn.
Enemy UAV overhead. Hostile UAV in the area.
That nigga took both of my guns. What a loser.
Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
Probably.
No, why that nigga running?
Get ready. Resurgence window is about to close. Enemy
Why they gliding above us? Behind us, behind us. I was talking about. Going down.
There's another one in front of me.
Did he come down here?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
still have squad mates outside.
You niggas up in the sky.
UAV overhead.
Oh, he behind us. You over here about to storm. I'm in.
I'm not over there. I'm not over there. It's all you. All you. Bro, what am I playing?
Now I can work fast. I got a class, bro. Damn.
Who are you? Random nigga. My team's not even here.
Hear me back?
Huh?
I said I got a class now. I can run. I got a KSV. MP5. They gliding down above us again. He going back here.
No more second chances.
Well, he got a loadout or something?
Yeah, he did.
Your squad mates
What was
are
it?
redeployed. Well done.
Back here, Bravo.
Supply crates have been restocked. Load up.
He went in the pods. They're like over there by the buses. Like over there.
Precision airstrike ready for task.
Right here, man.
Yeah.
Enemy airstrike in the area. Enemy UAV is online.
We got terrible perks. That's alright though.
Precision airstrike
We got tracker, something, and quick fix.
to the safe zone.
I mean, not even quick fix.
It's a dude gliding above.
Move it in.
He cracked. One shot, dead.
Enemy soldier incoming.
He ain't got no you.
I'm about 2 seconds.
2 seconds out. Niggas up on the water side. Yeah, niggas on the water side.
I'm going in this building with Park to get my weapons.
Yeah, I'm going to you.
They hiding in the corner. There's 2 niggas.
Hello?
Wait, don't go.
Fuck.
Mom. Yeah, but.
Somebody
Yo, buy me too, bro. Behind me.
Yep, behind us. Behind me.
Thank you.
No, I was passing in that nigga. Bro, who is here?
Where is it? They just bought back right here.
Laughing. Bro, I'm a guy. Who is here? Who is he?
I'm dead. Storm.
That's an easy kill.
I killed one of them.
No.
Boy, he got it back.
Nigga, that's his job. Oh my god, you a sorry nigga. God. Oh. This nigga's hiding in the corner. Oh, nigga, what?
Oh, dang, I'm the last one. Damn,
24 eliminations with 15 kills. It's a nigga right there. Nigga been hiding up there.
Oh, that's good.
He about to die. Yes. This trash king. Do we count the 15 or do we count the 24? I usually count the 15.
Quando eu não sabia, né? Digo.
Impossible.
Stations, this is Shadow 01. Deployment for the Warzone has been authorized.
Every morning is a new beginning, a chance for a strong start, and it starts at breakfast time. From delicious old-fashioned and quick oats to instant oatmeal that microwaves in 60 seconds, Quaker oatmeal helps start your morning on a good note. And as a good source of fiber with 100% whole grains, the whole family can feel good about the goat. That's greatest oatmeal of all time. Try a delicious bowl of Quaker oatmeal today. Quaker, bring out the good.
Whatever. There you go, Mr. Kanye. How about that? I am Mr. Kanye. Alright. Acho que é lápis de langer. Ela não. Alright. Alright.
Block my shine, no clips. Tiziana cologne, this is spritz. She said I smell good, she caught a whiff. Money sent, you catch on my drip. You get the gist. City tatted on BO6. Riding with the top down, so the clean. If I give you my word, don't reach. I've been trying to put together all the pieces. Gold skin on my body, can't bleach. I'm the first and the last of my species. Run up the money like bleach. Look like it, but it ain't easy. Yeah, hold on. It's urgent. Out the mud, yeah, we try to emerge. Maintain my own lane, I ain't urgent. This sauce can't get it no merch. I don't hang around rats, no burn. In the garden, gotta watch for the serpents. I know they gon' judge me on the surface, but I raise the ball like this surface. I'ma go in that bitch like the surface. I'ma go in that bitch the surface. I'm the one for the job that surface. I got the game, I'm speaking in curse. Fuck the game, I'm showing no mercy. I'm a pound, I'm a champ, I earn it. And my man is like this purse. Discipline, some nigga can't purchase. I zero to the top.
This old man. Oh. Yeah. Hello, Pippins, eu acho. I'm not gonna mais jogar, não vou ter aqui a start. It's fine. Alright, here we go. Oh, Byron, logo nisso, pessoal. Go bring water, drink water. That. Talk. There's people with us. They're on the chopper. On the chopper, right with you. Oh yeah. They love Shiru, man. No, we need. I got one on the boat. Another one is here. Damn, kamikaze, what the fuck? Yeah. Yo, bro. Just gotta go all in. Thank you very much. Oh, you lucky peach. My chopper soon, but I like, what the fuck? We're back. Is what that? No, he dirty.
out of the map.
Alrighty. Yes, good. Eko wala niya. Only one guy on top. I don't know if he jumped. Guaranteed that to the. Glad he never went up there. Yeah, that down a leaf gate. Yeah, we moved bottom there or something. Oh, bro. Yeah, deserved that shit. Motherfucker quit. Yes, sir. No, there's two. Watch out, there's two. Alright, alright. Yo, bis